Hiya! I don't even know if this video is gonna make it onto the roster, but I figure let's go for it because it's fun to talk to you guys. So it's a random Thursday before I have a 3-day weekend. I'm rambling and these dogs really want to go out. I have a 45-minute lunch. It's also that time of year where the grass is long and we don't want to mow it. So the horses are currently out grazing in the area where the dogs are. So I'm gonna put them in their pasture so that I can let the dogs out because I love them and they're guilting me and I love them. They need that, they deserve that. So we're gonna grab some carrots and we're gonna put the horses away and I'm gonna bring you along so that it motivates me to do it because they deserve it. You also deserve the mic, but I don't have time. That's not true, I do have time. I'm gonna grab it. Okay, hopefully we're mic'd up. The dogs have realized because I grabbed carrots that they're gonna get to go, so they're hyped. So I'm gonna grab the carrots and we're gonna go get them. And you dogs are gonna stay. Hey, freedom comes after I get them put away. Wait, let them out, let me out. All right. Lego. Get the horses. All right. I've been spotted. We've been spotted. No interest in carrots. I'm sure once we get there, though, they'll be excited about it. And luckily, the goats don't like carrots, so we don't gotta worry about them. All right, let go. Should we go to the spot closer to them? Yeah, we should. Let's do that. Hi. Don't be scared of my friend. This is my friend, Linda. Say hi, Linda. Baby knows Linda. Excuse me, baby. Baby's like, sup, Linda? What's good? I feel like we were calling you something else in that video, but I can't remember what it was. I'm gonna set you down and hope that you don't get run over. That's a trust game I don't really love to play, but I will. Do you see why this is a labor of love? To put these suckers away so the dogs can come out when really after, I don't know if you were able to see because this is that challenging, but see, she's gonna chase me down for these remaining carrots, which really are Bubba's, so I'm gonna go get them to Bubba because that makes my life a lot easier. Good boy. So this is how I typically do it. I get the 2 bays in because they like to go together even though they act like they don't like each other. And then my senior mama tries to act like she can't hear me when I tell them we have to go in. So that's probably what she's doing over here, is pretending like she doesn't hear me. But I know they're thirsty, so it's kind of nice because I don't keep a trough out here so that they will drink in there. It's like a nice incentive to not stay out for too long. And they're getting a lot of water from the grass. Mama, we've got to go in and let the dogs stretch their legs, get some water. Come on, we'll go back out after. 45-minute break. Get their zoomies while I enjoy the rest of my lunch. And I started a timer on my phone so we can look and see how I'm doing. Yeah, see, they're all drinking. We also have the mineral stone / mineral block out here so that they don't overconsume that. It's all about moderation. So they get their time out, they get some water. Billy! All right, let's let these 2 out. Okay. And then it will usually move him so that he can romp around with them. But he gets the majority of his, sorry, talk really slow. I'm gonna put Bentley out on the horse tie so that he can play with the girls, but he spends the majority of his free roaming time, like how he gets his exercises in the morning. He gets to go out into the pasture while the horses eat their breakfast, which usually takes him about 2 hours, sometimes more. And usually he wants to come up by like an hour and a half at most. This bitch forgot to set the timer. So that's cool. I've been offline from work for like a little under 15 minutes. So it's hard to see the exact time. Oh, that's good. I feel like this angle is not my best work, but I figured I'd show you what I do with the rest of my lunch. So now, oh my God, I used to be so weird when I was a kid. I really toned it down in adulthood because I used to do that all the time, and I just saw myself in the viewfinder and that was terrifying. Okay, so I'm at 19 minutes on my timer, which really means it's like time for me to go get ready. Like definitely go let the dogs in, but I just hit the jackpot, so I can't do that. And also, it's really cute, the heart is just chilling right here. Or whatever. Come here, Farty. Good girl. Good, come here. Come inside. Good girl. Stay. Good girl. Hunter, come here. Hunter, come. Good girl. All right, and then I'll bring you out with me and we'll go get the buoy and let the horses out. All the way in. Hunter, heart, wait. Good girls. All right, I go get your big boyfriend to stay. Good girls. Let's go into your swing. He likes the shade. Ooh, it's really windy. Can you hear it? Big gusts. Don't run over Linda. Get all the way up there. Here, you want this? Sorry. Wrap it around. Tuck her in. Matt does it a lot tighter because Bentley will get tangled up on things. All right, now we'll let the horses out. That's the fun part because we just gave the bad news to the dogs. Now we're gonna give the good news to the horses, which they actually look pretty content to just get some shade. But like I said, back to work, fellas. I got grass for you to eat. Wanna go out? Again, Linda, defend yourself. Oh, come on, can't let the goats out because the goats will eat all your bushes. You want to stay? That concludes today's lunch. Those two are not going to come out, at least not right now. And then they'll probably throw a hissy fit and I'll probably come out here in 15 minutes and let them out. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Not sure if it's going to be a full video or what it is. So if it's a full video, want it out, love it out. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Update, as I was getting the thumbnail for this video, the horses neighed and I was able to get them out, but I forgot to grab you guys. So there you go.